Hi folks, so the first house on tour is on Corbin Parkway in the Annapolis area, and it's priced at $565,000, and I should be pulling up soon. All right. Hi guys, this is the first house on tour. It's on Corbin Parkway and it's priced at $565,000. Let's go take a look. Hi, so the next house is just off of the Ebbing Forest Road. It's priced at $594,000. It's in a great community, really nice area, really convenient to shopping and to the parole area. So looking forward to seeing this house again, and I'll share those pictures with you. Thanks. So house number 3 today on tour is around the corner from house number 2, so that's pretty convenient. And this next house is priced at $599,000, traditional home, beautiful, and oh my goodness, the rain has just started. So I'm gonna pull over. I'm going to try not to get completely soaked, and yes, I'm gonna be filming this. So stay tuned to see house number 3, folks. Hi folks, and yes, it is raining. House number 3 on tour is gorgeous. It's priced at $599,000, and I'll share pictures with you in a moment. Thanks. So the rain is steadily coming down. That last house, house number 3, beautiful house, traditional, just absolutely gorgeous, lovely hardwood floors throughout, beautiful kitchen, really nice house. Now the next place I'm going to, goodness, are we already at house number 4? Yeah, we're at house number 4, which is in Ebbing Forest. And I love this house. I was at this house during the staging yesterday. So that was a lot of fun to be involved and check that out. This house, it's a house perched in the middle of the woods in Ebbing Forest, and it's a fun and unique home, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. All right, stay tuned. So I am at house number 4 right now. This is the home in Ebbing Forest, and this beautiful home is perched amongst the trees. Let's pop inside and I'll share some pictures with you. I just left the Ebbing Forest house. It is a really fun, unique, and beautiful home, well staged, and as soon as I get a price on this, I will let you guys know. Hi folks, the sun's out and I am driving to house number 5 on tour today. That is house number 5 of 7. That's a lot of houses for tour today. We don't usually do this many. But it's a really good cross-section of the homes that are available in the Annapolis area. Like I said before, we've got homes anywhere from mid-400s to, you know, 1.2, little north of 1.2 million. So I'm glad I get to share this with you today, and I'm really glad the sun's back out. Hi folks, house number 5 today on tour is in the Eastport Peninsula, and it's coming onto the market at just a little under $440,000. So let's take a look inside. Hi, so the last house, house number 5, townhome, not far from Truxton Park, beautifully maintained, a lot of really nice features about this home. Gorgeous hardwood floors, some really nice carpeting, really nothing to say bad about this home, and at $439,900, I think it's pretty well priced. Again, I will share pictures with that in the video. So today's tour, 7 different homes, a little bit different from usual, and thankfully the sun is back out. I'm following another agent to house number, goodness, it's 6, house number 6, I think, yes. And we're going for a bit of a change. We are going from a townhome at $439,900 to a home pretty close to the water for over $1 million. So again, when I get there, I will share pictures. Hi, so house number 6 is in the Parkwood community, a beautiful community in Eastport. Absolutely lovely home. I'm looking forward to getting inside and sharing it with you. Hi, so house number 6 is this beautiful home in the Parkwood community. This home has 3 bedrooms in the main house. It does have an apartment over the 2-car garage and a beautiful heated pool behind the house. Now, we're just up the road from the community's marina, and it is a fantastic community. Call me if you'd like more information. All right, so off to house number 7, the last house on tour today, and it's in Eastport. It's in Eastport, but an easy walk to downtown, probably about 20-minute walk. And during the summer, if you're in Eastport, you can take the water taxi downtown. So that's something to kind of keep in mind. I will take pictures inside of that house, and of course those will be shared with this video. All right. This is the 7th and final house on tour today. It's in Eastport, easy walking distance to 2 of our yacht clubs, the waterfront, and downtown. Let's take a look inside. This house is gorgeous. This home in Eastport, this was the 7th house on the tour, so we finished on a high note. Beautifully maintained home, parking for 6 off-street, a 2-car garage. So much to offer. Guys, I'll share the pictures with you, and I hope you've had fun joining me on tour today. Thanks so much.